slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you
back into the gym, actually, let me just let you know, I'm not even up for it. I don't know how I have the energy, but because my husband is here, I have the energy in the world. Okay, so I'm gonna put 10 and 10 on each side. Over here is 5. I'm gonna change this. I've already warmed up, so I'm ready to go. I can't find the other. Let's put this here. Found it. So I'm gonna warm up with just 10 and 10. Remember, I'm just a gym girl, try to figure it out. I actually don't know what these things are called or how the position is or the actual terminology for everything, but you know, I'm just going with the flow, Before I couldn't pick this up as how it was now, but look, I have this trick. I go on my tiptoes and then I bring it back down to where I want it. And I couldn't do that before. So, pumped. Okay, I'm gonna bring this all the way down to here and I'm gonna do my butt. So I'm gonna have my legs, shoulders width apart. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna do one thigh at a time. Just like this, bring it up and bring it back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I couldn't do 10, but next time I will. Okay, I'm gonna do another 8 on the other side. I forgot I actually brought gloves today. My palm gets really bad picking these up. They should soften just a little bit more. Here we go. Let's try the other side. Well, which side was it? This one? Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I did 10 on this side. Or was the gloves? That I want to do is I lay flat on the floor, and then as I'm going up, I tense, pull up, and I pull down. I'm gonna try and do 15. Keeping my legs the same, obviously. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My headphones actually coming off. Hold on one second. I'm gonna redo it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna lean back and do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I felt that burn. 15 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's see how much this is. Here we go. Window 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hey guys, I'm actually sweating. I'm doing something right. I'm gonna do my glutes now. I'm gonna try and see if I can do 20. All right, here we go. This actually feels really good. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just gonna pause a little bit. We have 10 more. It's crazy because before, this knee would be hurting me, and now this time it's not. So I'm getting better with my form. 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is gonna be my last set because I actually have somewhere to go. 30 minutes in the gym is literally all you need. Here we go. I'm going to do 20 and 20, and that's my last round. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. As I'm doing this, I'm going to cancel my abs. So 20 on the other side. And that's my last. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And that's it. All right, guys. I will catch you next time.